mechatronics and robotics. Okay. So we have a small introduction about mechatronics. Okay. Have you heard what is in mechatronics? Have you heard this word? What course you are doing? B. Mechanical engineering. Also the course is available as mechatronics engineering. Can you tell me what is mechatronics engineering? What is mechatronics engineering?
Mechatronics we can use in our interior and automation, robotic.
Okay, first, what is mechatronics?
Mechatronics is electronical basic.
Electronic based. Okay, very good. Any other answers from your point of view?
Mechatronics are mainly used in robots. Other than mechanical energy is used in large scale as fan and many other things. As mechatronics, they use many mechanical interiors, electronics such as microcontroller, Bluetooth module, and make robots.
Okay, very good. Okay. So this is a small introduction about mechatronics. I will tell you what is mechatronics. Okay. So mechatronics is nothing but it is a combination of mechanical and electronics. Okay. Mechanical plus electronics. Okay. So and also we are combining with the computer. Okay. These three things are combined. So what is the need to combine this mechanical and what is electronics and what is this computer? What is these three things? These three things are combined to form as mechatronics. So what is the need? Okay. So let us have this case study or we will discuss with them design thinking approach. Okay. If you are coming mechanical, okay, where we are using mechanical? Where we are using mechanical? What is the purpose of studying mechanical? Anyone can stand up.
To invite new things which can be helpful to our environment and society.
Okay, to implement any new things which can be helpful to our environment or to our society. So what is the role of mechanical engineers? As we discussed in the previous lecture series, we are involved in designing a product, okay, and then we are involved in manufacturing a product, and then we are marketing the product, and then we are making the product to the society. So in the real time we are using it in all the fields, okay, in the medical field, in all the fields we are using like this, okay. But in some cases this mechanical work is done manually. This mechanical work is done by manually with the help of the skilled laborers and the machines, okay. So as this is going on, what is the empathy in this? What is the problem with the existing process? Okay. So nowadays the production rate is becoming a very important factor. So the production is to be done in large scale or mass production is necessary to build a profit. So when a mass production is made, this conventional mechanical system has to be replaced with any new systems. Okay. So what we are doing is we are going for this mechatronics engineering. So what is this mechatronic engineering is? We are implementing this electronic with the mechanical to make it to work with the fast, smartly with the applications of the sensors and with the computers. Okay. For example, take a real-time example. Okay. If you go for an car manufacturing industries, okay. Have you seen any how the car manufacturing industries are there? In a car, there are many products. There is an engine, there is a body, there is an gears, there is a flywheel, and then there is the drive mechanisms. Okay, we are using the wheels. Everything is there. So all the parts are different parts. All the parts are to be assembled together. If you take an IC engine, all the components, IC engine, we are having piston, we are having a cylinder, we are having an engine block, we are having an inlet valve, outer valve, and everything has to be assembled. It is not made up in single product. All of the products are made separately. Okay, so all these products are to be assembled. Okay, so to assemble this, we can't do it manually. So nowadays what we are using is we want any new technology. Okay, so that we are going for this mechatronics engineering with the help of the robots. With the help of the robots. The field of this study is called as robotics. Okay, so how this is made is possible is in the vehicle manufacturing. Nowadays, if you take the vehicles, if you book a new vehicle, it takes 1 or 2 months. Why such a delay is happening? Because the production is lesser. So if you are going for any vehicles, we are wait for 6 to 8 months. Why this much gap? You are having the money, you want to buy a new vehicle, but instantly you are not getting it. You have to wait for 6 to 8 months. Why this time is taking place? Because the production is not up to the level. So to increase the production, we need some automation. Okay. So what we are doing is we want to introduce these robots to make the manufacturing process quickly. Okay. So these robots can be controlled with the help of sensors and some actuators with the help of this computer. So this field of making this automation is called as mechatronics. Okay. Thank you.